Hi, Vince O'Malley here. Hope you're doing well. Good to have you here. I know you're watching this video today, which tells me you're doing some research into the journey for success in affiliate marketing for beginners. Well, you're in the right place, and over the next few minutes, I'm going to be giving you some information that's going to steer you on the right path in your journey to find success in affiliate marketing. Now, this YouTube channel that you're watching today is dedicated to people starting in affiliate marketing or looking to find success in their affiliate marketing business. So if you click the subscribe button and the little bell down below, don't miss out on any new videos. And let's grow this channel as big as we can, help as many people as we can. And also, if you're interested, if you're looking to find success in your affiliate marketing business, if you click the link in the description directly below the video, you can get access to my 4-day free video training series. Some great tips and strategies in there on how to get started and how to find success, how to find a product to promote, how to stand out from the crowd, and a master plan which is going to get you on the way to finding success in your business. So this video is broken down into 4 parts. The 4 parts to the entrepreneur's journey. Part 1: invest in yourself. Learn the skills you need to build your own online business. Now, this first part is arguably the most important of the 4 steps. You need to be prepared to invest in yourself to learn the skills that you're going to need to build your own affiliate marketing business. Now, you could have the best product, the best product that's going to solve all your customers' problems, but if you don't know how to get that offer in front of those customers, you've got a major problem. You need to be able to learn how to generate traffic. Traffic is an industry term which just describes eyeballs on your business. Every business needs fresh eyeballs every day to see what it is you're offering. And that in itself is a skill set which you need to learn. And there are certain tools or systems that you need to master to be able to convert those leads, those eyeballs, how to convert them into sales, into buying customers. Part 2: implement and build. Now imagine your business, your online business, as a 100-story skyscraper. If that skyscraper is built on a foundation of sand and twigs, it's going to collapse in no time. Your business is going to be here today, gone tomorrow. That's why you need to build on a solid foundation. There are a certain set of tools that you will need as an essential element of your business. One of these tools is called an autoresponder. Now, an autoresponder is a database which stores all the email addresses of the visitors that opt into your offer. And the great thing about an autoresponder is it allows you to communicate with your audience, with your visitors, in a series of follow-up emails, which can be totally automated. You don't need to be there when the emails are sent out. Very powerful tool. Another tool which you'll need is a funnel builder. Now, a funnel or a sales funnel is just an industry term that describes the process that a customer will go through from first discovering you online all the way through to making a sale. Now, don't get too worried about all these industry terms. A sales funnel is quite a simple tool, but an essential tool. And again, this allows you to build trust with your customer, with your audience, before they decide to make a sale. The third tool you're going to need is something called a tracker. And this allows you to keep track of where your visitors are coming from and what actions they are taking. During this stage of building and implementing, you need to test and tweak certain things. Now, you can do this by something called split testing. Now, this would be like sending out one email to one group of people and a second email to another group of people, slightly different emails, and then testing, monitoring the results and working out which one is getting the best results for you and your business. Now you can use the tracker tool for this to help you monitor these actions, and also your autoresponder as well on open rates, see who's opening the emails and who's not. And then you can work out from there which one is giving you the best results and then focus on the ones that are working. Part 3, give value to your audience. So part 3 is quite an important part. What you need to remember that it's not all about the sale. When someone first discovers you online, they first look at what it is you have to offer. They're a stranger, that you are a total stranger to them. So why are they going to buy from you? This is why building up trust with your visitors, with your audience, is so important. And you can do this by giving value and sharing information with them, training or teaching them on the subject that they were looking for in the first place. Now what this does, it helps build your brand, helps you be seen as a leader within your field. And once you have built the trust with the visitor, this is when they're going to be more comfortable to actually make a purchase from you. Part 4, scale up your business. Now this part 4, scale up your business, strictly speaking, isn't applicable to affiliate marketing for beginners. But I wanted to touch on this because it does complete the journey of the entrepreneur. And that is, you need to reinvest in your business. The chances are when you first get started, you're not going to be making a fortune straight away. It does take time to build a business because, like I've said in all my other videos, this is a business and needs to be treated like a business. But as you start to generate income and it becomes more consistent, you need to be able to reinvest some of that money into back into your business. Now, I always recommend when people are getting started that they go down the road of generating free traffic, organic traffic, as opposed to paying for leads. Now, once you're established and you're beginning to generate some income, and you've mastered the free traffic systems, that's the time that you can then say, well, okay, I'm going to reinvest, start going for some paid ads, and growing the business that way, and scaling your profits. And that is how you go from being a small business to a large business. And that's what the aim is at the end of the day. So for a brief recap on the entrepreneur's journey: invest in yourself, implement and build, give value to your audience, scale up your business. Well, I hope you got some value from that today. If so, a couple of thumbs up would be great. And don't forget to hit the old subscribe button down below. Don't miss out on any new videos. And also, if you're looking to find success in your affiliate marketing business, I'd love you to click the link in the description below the video and get access to my 4-day free video training series. Some great tips and strategies in there. And also, leave me a comment in the box below. I'd love to hear from you, get some feedback, find out what challenges you're finding in your affiliate marketing business. If you need any other help, any suggestions on videos that I could do, please get in touch. Would love to hear from you. But it's been good to talk to you today. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. Goodbye now.